If you work in spaces that have a lot of mess that commonly needs cleaning, you might want to consider a Sweepex broom from Kärcher. As you can see, our Sweepex brooms are easily attached to the front of forklifts, as well as other large equipment such as front-end loaders, telehandlers and skid steer loaders, for the purpose of pushing large amounts of mess into one spot for a simple cleanup. They are ideal for collecting mess that is too large for a standard vacuum sweeper. Things like plastic, glass, cans and even liquid can be swept up. This makes them perfect for use in manufacturing plants, recycling plants, warehouses, farming, and even for cleaning up after expos and events. The great thing about Sweepex brooms is they have a very low cost of ownership due to the little maintenance required. However, the bristles are replaceable if need be. In addition to this, they are very versatile. As mentioned before, they can be used for sweeping up dry and wet materials and be used both indoors and outdoors. So if large mess is common in your workplace, contact Kärcher to inquire about a Sweepex broom for an easier cleanup.